washer, you have a wash machine, and that waste comes out. And what we did here, here's our laundry water waste. Okay, we put a sump pump down inside of a 10-gallon container. Okay, we ran wire, and we're gonna plug it in. And okay guys, so we're doing a little test run here, make sure that the float works. We're just filling this up with water.
Sump Pump on Amazon.
Oh, there it goes. We'll show you guys quick how we're going to cap this off. So put this on like this. This is the lid. Okay, put the lid on like that. Okay, and then we put this on. We don't glue it, we just put it on like that so it'll go in that hole. That way when that fills up, it kicks on and it throws our water about 100 yards out into a field. Might plant a tree there because we're energy efficient. We love the earth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.